It looks like Michonne, our small blood red parrot female cichlid, is protecting our two snails from the large male who's right on top named Rick. He seems really, really aggressive to our poor little snails here, our little buddies. But Michonne is very, very protective of them. Not sure why. It's interesting. But she's definitely protecting the snails here. Look at her. I think what we're gonna do is put a cover on the tank and then maybe put some stress relief or something in the water, because Rick is just going at these poor snails. They're fine, but it's pretty sad. This guy is just munching along. He's fine. Oh, spoke too soon. You could see his little teeth munching. Anyways, if anyone knows what this Blood Red Parrot Cichlid behavior for paired couples means, holler at me in the comments.